In this video, we're gonna check what is the maximum zoom that we can use on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So right now I am in the photo mode and we're gonna zoom in. And as you can see, the maximum amount of zoom is times 120x, which is pretty impressive. Now we're gonna also check other cameras. So let's also see the front camera. So in this case, well, the maximum amount of zoom is actually times 1. So let's go to the video mode now. And then over here we have times 30 in 180p. Sorry, 1080. Let's see if 4K also supports it, and yes. And let's also see 8K resolution. And in this case, the maximum zoom is times 12.9. So I cannot zoom in even more. It is 12.9 now. All right. And we can also go to the Ultra HD. In this case, the maximum zoom is, oh, we cannot change it here. I suppose 4.3. So we can only use one of these values that we have over here. We cannot manually adjust it. And that is the 50 megapixels camera. And in the case of 200 megapixels, we are stuck at the selected value, which is weird. Oh, it is actually 4.3x all the time. So it switches to 4.3 even if you have 1x. So if we switch to 200 megapixels, we cannot change it. There is also one more mode that I want to check, and that is the supermoon. Over here we have 60x. And let's perhaps see the movie mode. If we can actually zoom in. No, we cannot zoom in or zoom out here. So that's pretty much it. So the maximum zoom that we can get, from what I can see, is the times 120 in the photo mode. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!